Hello everyone, I'm FABIO LAVELLI, and in this video I'll demonstrate how PSET pneumatic positioners applied and used in dental laboratories can give significant work advantages in terms of speed, comfort and accuracy. With a positioner like P3X, you can tackle every job better, reducing times and reaching the very highest standards of quality and precision, such as those required in machining implants, milling cast materials, customizing resin pieces, and much more. We are now in a dental laboratory. As you can see, the operator is engaged in the milling process of titanium implants, a particularly delicate process that needs precision and extreme attention to detail. They have a solid dental impression in plaster on the positioner's platform, and without wasting time does all possible maneuvers, then blocks it quickly in the chosen position, which guarantees perfect stability to work with the drill. These freedom and lock features are obtained by acting through a pneumatic foot valve. When the operator presses the pedal, it unlocks the platform and orients it to the most practical and precise position for working. Release the pedal and the platform stays solid in position. This way you can easily perform every process. For every change, the operator presses the pedal, quickly orients it in the new position, releases the pedal, and continues working. PSET supports you in all these types of manual work. The high ease of operation of their positioners, combined with the advantages of quick and precise position change in perfect stability, gives its users great benefits with practical and comfortable placement and performance in time spent working.
Grandi benefici con piazzamenti pratici e comodi, permettendo di incrementare il rendimento del lavoro in termini di qualità.
Getting all these benefits now is possible with PSET's P3X positioner. PSET, change your perspective.